This is one of the best fly traps on the market, in my opinion. This is made by Rescue, and it is highly effective. Okay, I think I am 3 or 4 days later, and look at that. There's got to be 3 inches of flies right here. All right, so what you do is you cut along the dotted lines on the top, remove the plastic, and pull the part of the trap up, and it'll protrude from the bag. This is where the flies will enter, and they aren't smart enough to exit through the funnel. The bait inside is this material that is in a dissolvable bag. So you're going to fill this bag up to the fill line right here, and it's going to create this solution that honestly stinks pretty bad. So make sure you don't put this by your front door. And it is going to create an odor that attracts the flies, and then the flies will come in, but they won't be able to come out. And I swear to you, this is not an exaggeration. This one says catch up to 20,000 flies. This thing really can do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount it, and we'll check back in a couple days. All right, I just cut the plastic top, and then this is that trap part that will hang, and it creates that funnel that they'll fly down into the bag. But for some reason, they're not smart enough to get out. All right, I'm gonna fill it up with water now. Make sure that the dissolvable bag is at the bottom so that it's soaking in the water. All right, and now it is filled up, and you can see that bag's just floating. So that dissolvable bag's gonna, dissolve here pretty quick, and then that solution will start to form, and it's gonna stink. So I'm gonna get this mounted before I have to smell it. All right, I got it mounted to the tree branch, and it has a mounting hole through the top right there, and I just twist tied it on. I did accidentally drop it, and it got all over my shoes, but it was before it dissolved, luckily. So that could have been pretty bad. All right, here's the update for the fly trap 24 hours later. Looks like we got a layer of flies, so that's probably 50 flies in there. Definitely feeling some relief from this thing. Love this product. Click the link in our description if you want to buy this on Amazon. And here is the 48 hours later of the fly bag. Looks like a solid ½ inch of flies in there. So there's probably 100 or 200 flies in there. Super effective. Love it. Okay, I think I am 3 or 4 days later, and look at that. There's got to be 3 inches of flies right here. 2 inches of flies. So I don't even know how to estimate how many that is. 1,000? It's a ton of flies. So effective. We're noticing a difference on our property. This is a really good product.